Hello, friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are back again with yet another exciting episode from Georgia. It would be a road trip from Guzori Ski Resort to Tbilisi, the capital of Georgia. As I informed you in our first vlog of this series, we are here on 4 night stay with Holiday Factory, and the package included 2 night stay first of all in Gudori Ski Resort. So we moved from the airport directly when we landed to Gudori Ski Resort, where we spent a day doing paragliding. We went to Kesbegi day tour, which was the most beautiful experience we had till now. And now on third day we are moving back to Tbilisi, so it will be like 2.5 hours drive. We'll reach our hotel around noon time. We'll drop our luggage, we'll take some rest, and then we will leave to explore the main city Tbilisi. So please stay with us and keep watching. On our way, we have stopped at Zinveli Water Reservoir. It's a beautiful sightseeing place. It looks like a lake, but actually it's a dam which was built by Soviets in 1980 to meet the growing demand of electricity in this region, and now it has become a favorite tourist spot. After a long drive, finally we have reached in our hotel. It's a 4-star hotel located within the main city. The rooms look spacious. Let me show you. You can see with a nice double bed, and here on the left side we have a window which gives a beautiful view of the city. As I mentioned earlier in our first video, Holiday Factory provides a room for 2 individuals. Since we are family of 4, they provided us with 2 rooms. They don't have the option for a bigger room. Luckily here, when we reached and I discussed the same thing with the hotel reception, they have provided us with 2 connected rooms which are connected from inside. You can see that's the connection, and the second room here with same 2 beds and a beautiful sea of outside the main city. So quite convenient for us. It solved our problem, and finally we were able to have a kind of room we were looking for. After a bit of rest, we are leaving out to visit the old city of Tbilisi. We took a taxi, and taxi booking is quite easy. It's an application called Bolt, which is similar to Uber or Cream, and it gives a cheaper option of taxis other than you going out on street and looking for one. This was a convenient option. Most of the famous tourist attractions of Tbilisi lies in this old city area. We are planning to do a complete day tour with a professional tour guide of Holiday Factory tomorrow. Today we have reached here in the afternoon, so half of the day has already passed. After resting in hotel, we just came out to explore, do a walking tour in this main area. We'll have a lunch as well. We are looking for a halal restaurant. For Muslims, it was a bit difficult in Gudori to find halal food, so 2 days we actually survived on noodles, instant noodles. And now we are here at Taj Mahal restaurant, where we are going to have a proper desi lunch. The menu looks quite rich. You have all the main appetizers and snacks we have in India and Pakistan. Samosa, pakoda, dahi balla, chaats, those kind of things. And also you can see some soups, vegetarian main cuisines, different varieties of dals, vegetables. Some varieties of kadahis, mutton and chicken. And biryanis and white rice, zira rice, etc. and some grilled food as well. Our food is served, and here what we have ordered. We ordered French fries for kids, biryani, it's a chicken biryani, and chapatis to go with dal and pakoda. If you are in Tbilisi, you cannot miss this sign. It's a trademark of this beautiful city. You will find it in most of the vlogs of Georgia, and it's right in the middle of old city, so quite convenient to find. Beautiful old streets with houses on either side. We are hiking upwards to have a beautiful view of this city. Here in front you can see the central mosque of Tbilisi. This place gives a very nice panoramic view of this city. Metkavari river there in front with Happiness Bridge, the cable chairs, and here's a fortress and cathedral. So we came down and now we are heading towards the central mosque of Tbilisi. You can see right in front, and on the right side you have some restaurants, some shops if you want to buy local souvenirs. Here you have option to have fresh juices. So here we are right in front of Central Mosque of Tbilisi. Looks a beautiful structure made from bricks, and I will show you from inside in a moment. Looks a spacious mosque. It has space for both male and female prayer areas. We did our evening prayer in there, and then now we are back on streets to explore some more places in this old city and try some local food. This is a traditional Georgian sweet or candy called churchkhela. It's made of dried fruits and covered with thickened grape juice or any other fruit juice. So friends, finally we have reached to the end of our today's vlog. It was a busy day. I hope you have enjoyed the road trip, the beautiful scenes on the way, and then a glimpse of this beautiful old city. We will be back in our next vlog with a complete guided tour where we will share the history of this city. Please keep watching our channel and share your feedback in comments. Do subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Till next video, goodbye.